Hello guys, welcome back to Bekes TV. In this video, I want to show you how to apply for a Bybit card. Do you know the way you can use your ATM card to pay for goods and services online? You can also do the same with your Bybit card. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video and right now. So stay tuned. The first step is to sign up on Bybit. So I'm going to leave the link to that via the description below of this video. So once you sign up, you do your KYC. So after that, the next step is to open your Bybit. After opening your Bybit, you click on assets. Look down, you are going to see my arrow. You click on assets. Then once I tap on it, then you're going to see card which says applying now. Look at it over here. It says applying now. So I'm going to tap on the card. Okay, this is it. And you're going to see get card. Pay anytime, anywhere with your crypto or fiat card. So I'm going to click on get card right now. And please also note this card is not available in all regions, so only those in specific region can apply. So if you can see this here, you can apply. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on get card. So please enter your country. Nigeria is already a default, so if you are not from Nigeria, you can just check the country and do what? Insert your country over here. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, so they said identification verification. So I'm going to currently verify my ID by clicking on verify again. So I'm going to tap on verify again now. So it says the country. My country is Nigeria. So the ID card I'm to use, if you have driver's license, passport. Okay, let me use my national identity card. So I'm going to click on my ID card. Okay, and I'll click on continue. Okay, over here, you make sure your pictures are not being overcropped or blur. So I'm going to click on continue. Let's get verify. I confirm and I click on next. Waiting for camera. Okay, so go off the cams to get my document verified. So you're going to get a message like this after the verification process. We said you will receive it. Thank you, you are processing your data. Your verification document have been successfully submitted. Please hit back to return. All right, so I'm going to click on back right now. Congratulations, your verification was successful. You have been verified. Wow, so easy. It didn't even take me up to 5 minutes to do this. So I'll go back right away. So this is very easy. For those of you complaining that it's difficult, very easy. There is nothing here. There is nothing difficult to do. Okay. This is my front page. So I went back completely. So now I'll go back to my assets. Okay, let me click on the card. Okay. Then I'll click on activate card. The same country, my country is Nigeria, so I'm going to click on confirm. So as you can see in progress, your identification is currently being reviewed. The process usually takes a few minutes and you will be notified via email update or completion. So let's just wait a moment. Before 5 minutes, I'm sure this will be done. This is it. Identity verification is successfully verified. Okay, so it's not even up to 5 minutes, so I'll click on next. So over here you have to put in your country, address, optional, street, building number, apartment and city and the rest, postal code, then you can confirm. Okay, so I'm going to do that behind the camera. This is the next page after that, so we are on page 3 or 4. Look at it, 3 or 4. So what will you use Bybit for? Investing or long-term holding, trading on Bybit, fiat, gateway and Bybit. So I'm going to be selecting trading on Bybit. So what is your employment status? I'm going to be selecting self-employed. Okay. What is your source of income? Self-employed income. What's your annual salary? So you know the one to choose. I'm going to be taking last option and I'm going to be clicking on next. So the fourth one is to confirm your info. Right, so I've repeated my mail and my phone number and email. So I'm going to submit right away. As you can see, it's successful. Your visual card application is under review. Okay, it takes a few minutes to complete. Okay, look at it, you can just read it. So this is all. So if you don't have Bybit account, please use my link via the description on my Telegram channel. Please let me know if you have created yours in the comment section. I'll be there to check it, or you can also drop a message via my Telegram. Thanks for watching and bye. See you in my next video.